Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on Mighty Moss Shop Creation Shorts. Today, I'll be showing you how to polish out scratches on old model car glass. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so, first, we're going to open this. And you might be wondering what it is. It is a shop card, I believe. There it is. Shop card from Hobby Barn, or Terry. There's his email if you want a shop card. I really, really like it. I think it's a really cool idea. Make sure to go over to his channel if you haven't already. Make sure to give him a like and subscribe. I'm sure he'd like that a lot. Thank you so much, Terry. Alright, so let's get into the quick tip. So what you'll need for this is a Dremel with a polishing burr. I like to use these, the Mother's California Gold Ultimate Wax System. Step 1 and Step 2. And then we'll be using, for an example, my dad's glass from his NASCAR Buddy Baker kit that he's working on. So I'll show you the before and after on that. So, first thing, get step 1 out, because step number 1, obviously you start with step number 1. All you gotta do is apply it on the glass. That might be a bit much, but we'll see. Oh, okay, well, that's great. Let me just wipe that up. Alright, so, besides that, we just rub it into the glass. Rub it on the polishing wheel. And then start it up. I like to go slow with this part so I don't, like, fly off and hurt myself. So I like to go until it's about foggy or clear-ish. That's how you know it's somewhat ready. And then you just take some tissue paper, wipe it off. Now this is only step 1. Ignore the... This is only step 1, and you can already see a... Oops. You can already see a pretty big difference in shine. And then we're gonna go over with step number 2. This one is a little bit more for micro polishing, so this is good for like for small scratches and scuffs. You can also use this on model cars too, like if you have clear coat that you want to sand out or polish out. This stuff I find works really good. So again, same thing as before, just wipe it all over the glass and start it up. Careful it doesn't get too up to high speeds, because it will fling. Now once you've got it to about that, again, once it's kind of foggy, you just take the same piece of paper or tissue, wipe it off. as you can see, there's already a huge difference with cracks and stuff. It's almost crystal clear now. There's the difference. See, you can see the scratches from before, and now with the other one you can't see anything. It's really amazing how that works. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Oh wait, you can also polish the back side of the glass if it's really that bad, and sometimes I find that works best. I'm just not going to show that right now because of video length. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me. And don't forget, check out Hobby Barn. Super cool videos. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.